Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are enjoying these online classes. We will continue with the first lesson of science, that is the magic of life. We have already discussed the 4 life processes in living things, that is growth, nutrition, respiration and movement. And now we are going to learn about the next life process, that is sensitivity. Children, living things use their sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin to respond to the stimulus. Now, what is stimulus? Stimulus is any change in the surrounding of a living thing, and sensitivity is the process by which a living thing detects or identifies a stimulus and responds to it. For example, we cover our ears when we hear a loud noise. Here, the loud noise is the stimulus, whereas covering the ears is the response to the stimulus. Food is also a stimulus for most of the animals. When animals sense food, they move towards it as a response. For example, when a cat sees a mouse, it moves towards it to catch and eat it. Here, the mouse is the stimulus and the cat moving towards it to catch it is the response. What about plants? Do they have sensitivity? Although plants do not have the 5 sense organs like the animals and humans, but they are also sensitive to their surroundings. The stem senses sunlight and turns towards it, whereas the root detects water and moves deeper into the soil. An example of sensitivity is a fully bloomed sunflower which always turns towards the sunlight. Some plants are sensitive to touch. For example, the mimosa plant, which is also called touch-me-not. The tiny leaves of touch-me-not plant are very sensitive and closes when they are touched. The next life process that we are going to discuss is excretion. As animals use up the food that they eat, their bodies produce different types of wastes. These wastes are harmful to the body and are removed in the form of excreta, or what you call poop. Thus, the waste produced in the body is expelled or removed out through a process known as excretion. Sweat and urine are also wastes, as they are excess water along with harmful waste produced in our body. So children, now you know growth, nutrition, respiration, movement, sensitivity and excretion are the life processes that help us stay healthy and alive. And now we move on to the last life process of this lesson, that is reproduction. Reproduction in animals means to produce or give birth to the young ones of their own kind. Animals either reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to their young ones. For example, all the types of birds lay eggs that hatch into chickens. A cow gives birth to a calf. And in humans, an adult female gives birth to a baby. In most of the plants, reproduction takes place through seeds. For example, the flower of the mango tree turns into a mango fruit which has the seed inside it. This seed, when put in the soil, grows into a mango tree. Children, If you have difficulty in remembering all the 7 characteristics or life processes of living things, then just remember the word Mrs. Grin. In this, each letter indicates a life process. For example, M, movement, R, respiration, S, sensitivity, G, growth, R, reproduction, E, excretion, and N, nutrition. Isn't it easy to remember all the life processes now? With this, we come to the end of the first lesson. Hope you all are completing your worksheets side by side. And now, goodbye and stay healthy till we meet again.